what are the different types of tests? Just to remind you, and according to medical experts, there are two kinds. One is genetic, another is serological. Genetic is for detecting active cases, not exactly the ones if it may have happened in the past. And for active cases, what is done is a swab sample is taken of the lower respiratory tract and that is then analyzed. It is important to understand that to really have a figure of what kind of infections may have happened in the past, that is when serological test comes into the picture, because serological test is done for the antibodies. So to put it simply for you, the test done for the virus is the RT-PCR and the NAT test, while the other one that is done for the antibodies can also be called as the serological test. So for the testing of the virus, the RT-PCR is also called reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction test, and the NAT is the nucleic acid test, and for both there is a throat and a nose sample that is taken, and the swab sample takes about 4 to 5 hours at least, and usually a day, to really figure out about what exactly is it, positive or negative. So RT-PCR test is about 4,000 rupees, while the NAT test is about 2,800. However, as we are all aware, in India, even though NAT is approved, it is the RT-PCR test that is conducted more widely among people across the country. So now the other test of the antibodies, which is now being discussed as people recover from coronavirus. Antibodies test is usually done simply by a blood test, a blood sample that is taken to then analyze whether antibodies of coronavirus have developed in your body. Antibodies are proteins basically produced by a human body, used by the immune system to identify and neutralize foreign objects such as bacteria or viruses. Though antibody test costs about 500 rupees, gives results in 20 to 30 minutes, testing for antibody can be misleading, however, sometimes according to medical experts, misleading if it is in just the first week of infection. And now a third test is becoming popular, which is antigen test, which by the name means to look and analyze for the presence of antigens in the body. Now remember, what are antibodies? Antibodies are particles that are already present in our immune system, in our defense system to fight any diseases. Antigens are due to the presence of particles in our body that tend to then develop antibodies. It is a test on swabbed nasal samples that detect antigens found on or within the SARS-CoV-2 virus. It is a point-of-care test performed outside conventional laboratory setting and is used to quickly obtain a diagnostic result. Like RT-PCR, rapid antigen detection test also seeks to detect the virus rather than the antibodies produced by the body. So while the antigen tests are comparatively cheaper, they can be anywhere around 500 rupees compared to the RT-PCR, which is more expensive, over 4,000 rupees. The accuracy is still considered better of the RT-PCR test. The antigen tests gain in speed and ease of use, but they lose in accuracy because of the somewhat high false negative rate. Also likely, individual patients should be careful with how they interpret results. If antigen tests are combined with more accurate PCR tests and blood tests that also look for antibodies, likely the antigen testing has a large role to play in helping fight coronavirus. So remember, there are different types of tests, starting from detecting the virus, then detecting either the antigens in it, and importantly, eventually the antibodies that develop in body after the one who has recovered from coronavirus. So different tests, a reminder for our viewers.